na ba kayo? Cause today, we're diving into a flavor fiesta na hindi nyo dapat palampasin sa walang iba kundi TGI Fridays. Unang-una sa listahan, the legendary, the iconic, the OMG-worthy Fridays Signature Whiskey Glazed Ribs. Fall off the bone. As in literal na soft and tender, parang butter sa lambot. This is a Fridays must order. Di ka pa nakakaupo, orderin mo na ito. Next up, cheese lovers, maghanda na kayo. Fridays mozzarella. Long cheese pull? Yes, please! We even tried the Fridays Mozzarella Pull Challenge. Kaya ba ng powers mo ang cheese stretch na hanggang langit? Tip! Perfect tong moment na to as your cover photo with that glorious cheese pull at syempre, Fridays branding sa likod. It's the worthy talaga! Pero wait, there's more! If you've heard of All Yours All Day, eto na ang barkada version. TGIF Bistro to Share by the Bistro Group. Good for 3 to 4 people. Price starts at just 1,450 pesos. Sulit, di ba? We got to try tostada nachos for our appetizer, watermelon cranberry for salad, and for our entrees, scallops aglio olio and grilled barbecue chicken. Lahat masarap. Lahat panalo! Promise, no need to wait for birthdays or anniversary. Each day can be a special day with Fridays. So tara na! Kain na! Only at Fridays, where every bite feels like the weekend. This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.